Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. My name's Kat. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Ramzan
And where are you from, Muhammad Razan?
from India.
What part of India do you live in?
I am in the northern part of India.
Okay, okay. And have you always lived in the north?
Yes, I always lived in the north, and yes, I gone through all the whole India,
Oh,
but currently I am living in northern part.
okay,
Yeah.
okay, nice. What do you?
So,
Oh, you go.
so you are from
Yeah, I
Australia?
am, but I live in Colombia, in South America.
Okay, great. So, yes, please ask me few quick questions and I will be answering you quickly. So in that way, I am thinking that I can practice more.
Oh, okay, sure, no problem, no problem. What kind of work do you do, Muhammad Razan?
What kind of?
What kind
Sorry.
of work do you do?
I am professionally a software developer. So I develop websites and also mobile
Okay,
apps.
which do you prefer, websites or mobile apps?
I prefer mobile apps, but mostly I am expert in websites.
Okay, okay. What
Yes.
made you decide to become a software developer?
I was more about practical knowledge, so I was interested to go through the things which are not more theoretical. So I started my journey, and then after continued with computer science engineering, and finally I end up with learning coding and all. So after that, I found some clients, and I started freelancing, and in
Oh,
that way, I started my journey, and now I'm continuing that.
okay. And so do you still do freelance work or do you work for a company now?
Yes, I worked for company before, but now I am full-time doing freelancing. And I have my personal
Oh,
projects as well.
okay. Which do you prefer, freelancing or
Yes.
working for a company?
Yes, freelancing, obviously, because this is my own work and I have my own growth. And I am no more dependent on anyone. I just focus on my tasks, and if I am working harder, then
Uh-huh.
I am getting paid.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Yes.
You said you also liked working on your own projects. What kind of are your pet projects? What are they usually about? Like, what problems are you trying to solve?
Yes, mostly I try to develop some tools which are useful in the market. So I also developed a few tools in SEO. So my website name is keywords.com. That is
Okay.
KEIWRDS.com. Yes, and in that I have a lot of tools which I already developed, and now I'm working on mobile apps. So yes, these are the things which I prefer to do.
Okay. Okay. Nice. You said before that you'd lived all over India. Why have you moved so much within India?
Actually, I did my graduation from outside of my state, and then I placed in a company that was software company, so that was in any other state. And I also went to Kerala, that is the south part of
Mm-mm.
India. So over there, actually, I went with my brother, younger brother. So that was not for much time. It was about for 2 to 3 days.
Oh,
And now I am living in northern part because I am from North India.
okay. So do I assume then you prefer a cooler climate?
Yes, we have the cool climate
Yeah.
here. Yes, that's why. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that makes sense. And do you like hiking and things in the Himalayas? Like, are you that far north or you're not quite that north?
Yes, we have the snowfall here and all,
Nice.
but not doing much advanced things. In the Kashmir, the people are doing these things.
Yeah.
And in my hometown, this is not the much trendy thing. So people are not interested in this because, yes, it is because they have some fear of this, that if they are doing such an activity, then maybe they will broke their
Yeah,
legs
okay.
or any other part of body. Yeah.
What are more popular activities in your hometown for people?
The popular activities, you mean that in terms of games or what?
Yeah, or what do people like to do with their time outside of COVID times, obviously, but like before COVID, what would people typically do for leisure in your hometown?
They are basically working on their own lands because we have everywhere greenery and we have tourism system here. So people are working in that aspect mostly.
Okay. What are the tourist
Yes.
attractions, or what makes people go to your hometown and your home state from a tourism perspective?
Yes, that is because we have the greenery here, like everywhere you will never find any type of desert type of area. So we have snowfall as well, and we have a lot of natural dams
Oh,
here.
nice.
And other than that, we have intermediate, intermediate type of weather here. Not much cold and not much hot. So that's why people prefer to come here. And other than that, we have also less population, and because of which we have, you can call it very less pollution
Yeah,
here.
nice. That would be nice.
So we have, yes. So that attracts people to come here and enjoy
Yeah,
their
that
lives.
makes sense. What's the most populated place that you've lived in?
Yes, that is my home state because we have all the things over here and we don't have any type of congested area here. So that's why we prefer to live. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Have you spent time in any of the big metropolises in India?
Yes, I went to Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So I lived there for 2 years, and over there was the pollution and all stuff, but we had the facilities. So I was working there as a software developer, so I had to live there. So yeah, I enjoyed the life with the technical people.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. When you're not working or doing your passion projects, what do you like doing?
So you mean that if I'm not working
Yeah,
on my
if you're
profession,
not
then what
working,
else I am doing?
yeah, or not working on your own projects, what other things do you like doing?
I always interested to start new things, like
Okay.
just think about that how we can invest money and start a new startup. So I
Okay.
try to convince the people who are in my surrounding, and then they are also unemployed. So I try to convince them and then make them work.
Do you think that you're a good persuader?
Yes.
Nice. Do you live by yourself or do you live with your family?
Yes, currently I live by myself, and my family is little away from me. So I'm living in touch with the city. I mean, 20 miles away from my hometown.
Okay, that makes sense. Do you like living by yourself?
Yes, I like to live alone always, because this is one of the best thing I have ever observed in my life. Because when we live alone, then we have the time to think about our own selves. We have the self-analysis, we have the self-introspection, and we try to think in a broader way. Why? Because we have enough time to think and investigate our own capabilities and skills that we have and weaknesses. So all these things we can explore if we will have the time for our own selves.
Yeah,
So
that makes sense.
I always prefer to live alone.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. It was really nice to meet you, Mohammed Razan.
Okay, yes, thank you. Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.